All fish, no frills. The newest model from Lund has all your favorite features at an accessible price. Whether it's bass, walleyes, panfish, muskies that you're chasing, the Explorer is perfect for catching all your favorite species. I'm Kobe Koenig with Lund Boats. Let's take a look at some of the key features on the Explorer.
Introducing the all-new Explorer series from Lund, built for anglers who want performance, reliability, and incredible value. Whatever species of fish you are chasing, and wherever you go to chase them, the Explorer is ready for all of your adventures. The Explorer is designed around the features anglers ask for most, and leaves out the extras that drive up cost. It's a boat that delivers what matters, at a price that makes sense. Designed for ease of maintenance, the Explorer features wood-free construction with a composite transom and aluminum floor. The all-vinyl interior means cleanup is as easy as a quick rinse at the end of the day. The Explorer is a sound investment built to last, season after season. Available in two lengths, both the 1700 and 1800 have tiller, side console, or full windshield sport configurations. The 1700 has a length of 17 feet. It has a max horsepower of 90 on the SS and Sport and 75 on the tiller. The 1800 has a length of 18 feet. It has a max horsepower of 115 on the SS and Sport and 75 on the tiller. All have a beam width of 93 inches and transom height of 20 inches. Built on Lund's legendary IPS hull and patterned after the rugged Alaskan platform, the Explorer delivers peak performance and fuel efficiency. It's engineered to go farther and fish longer with a 20-gallon fuel tank. Make your Explorer your own when you choose to add an optional center rod locker or center storage compartment. Both are available from the Lund factory or your local dealer. For even more flexibility, the integrated Sport Track system opens the door to a wide range of add-ons. You can easily customize your boat with rod holders, tool holders, or a sport top for protection from the elements. It's customization that fits your fishing style. Every fishing trip has the potential to be your best. The Explorer's spacious cockpit and bow give you room to move, while the 15-gallon live well keeps your catch fresh. Standard port rod storage fits rods up to 8 feet, so you're always ready for whatever is biting. At the console of the SS and Sport models, you'll find a flush surface designed for mounting large or dual locators, giving you all the information you need right at your fingertips. Backlit switches add visibility and ease of use in low light conditions, while optional upgrades like a phone holder with integrated power source help you stay connected no matter where your adventures take you. It's a setup built for convenience, control, and customization. Going out with a group? The Sport and side console models are rated for 6 people and the tiller models for 5. All models come standard with 3 seats. Whether you prioritize simplicity, ease of handling, or comfort, the Explorer can be the ideal boat for you. Its thoughtful layout and customizable features make it a great choice for seasoned anglers, as well as entry-level anglers looking for a way to get out on the water.
So whatever kind of angling adventure you're planning, the Explorer is the perfect boat to make it epic. Check in with your local dealer to see the Explorer for yourself.